Hi lovelies, welcome once again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today guys, I want to show you how to do these Senegalese twists. I'll be teaching you how to make the right one and the left one. The first one I'll be showing you here is the right twist. Please make sure you watch the full video, and please, if you're here for the first time, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload more styles. Let's right into the video. The first thing you do, you cut down the place that you want to twist. Then you comb your extension. Make sure you put an hair cream, something that will relax the extension. Then you can start. Do it like this. Make sure you are doing it as make sure you do it where you're seeing it there. Then you place it into the hair. Then you can start. Please, if you want to do it on your daughter's hair or on someone else's hair, please make sure you cut it very neat. I would have done it on someone's hair, but my little niece, she's not around. That's why I'm using this dummy. Then you start twisting it. Make sure the button is very tight, not that tight too, so the person won't feel headache. Just make sure it's well placed on the down. And you can twist. Then you make sure the twisting is tight, which is the twist. Make sure it's very tight. It should be following each other step by step. If it's tight, you see that the end result will be very fine. Please guys, hope you're enjoying this video. Please pardon my videos for now, and please guys, make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel named Nefe Tips, and you can go back and watch my previous video because I have different videos about natural hairstyles, ponytail hairstyles, and money, and many more content. You can go back and watch my previous video, you will enjoy it. And for my other channel named Nefe Tips, I have so many great content there too. Because I have skincare videos, how you can care for your fair skin and dark skin, how you can glow them naturally. So guys, this other one here, I'll be teaching you how to make the left twist. This twist is not that common, few people do it, but if you do this twist, it's very fine. It's very nice. You can use this particular twist to make double twisting. I'll be teaching you how to make double twisting very soon. So the same process, but this one you will turn your hand to the twisting will be going left side, not right side. That's the difference between these two twists. One is facing left, while one is facing right. The first one I showed you was facing right, but this particular one here is facing left. So please enjoy the video. Please, if you're here for the first time, please don't just go. Please make sure you turn on the bell notification and click on the subscribe button because I have so many great content coming. I'll be teaching you how to sew wig caps, how to make ponytail styles, how so many great styles coming. So please stay tuned and don't just run from this channel. I promise you won't regret it. So please make sure you stick around. You make sure your twisting is very tight. So guys, you just keep doing this over and over and over till the hair is finished. Please, thanks for watching, and please stick around. I appreciate you all. I love you all. I appreciate your efforts. I appreciate the time you created to watch my videos. Thank you very much. Bye guys, this is a finished product.